pursuing BTech second year in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Kakinada Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I am excited to present my full stack AI chatbot project which I have developed as a part of my K-Hub selection process. This project will demonstrate how LLM module can be integrated into a web applications to create a fast and intelligent user interface AI assistant. Now let us introduce about it. The name of my project is an AI chatbot using Flask and Groq API and SQLite. Uh, the object of a project to be built in a chatbot providing a real-time response which can be maintain the conversation history and chat history and interface of it. The technologies which we have been used in this project was Python, Flask framework, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and SQLite database, and Groq API for AI response, highlighting .js for code highlighting. Now let us discuss about the project architecture. Now I will explain about the project architecture. When a user types a message to the browser, the JavaScript will capture it and send to the Flask backend by using a post request. The backend will receive the request and perform the several tasks which is related to the message. Now the all conversation will stores in the SQLite. Now the main part will comes into the point. Whereas the Groq API will generate the response which has been streamed by the user and connecting to it. Finally, the complete AI response will saved in a SQLite. Now let us see the project features of the project. This project will mainly developed by a multi-AI module. The first feature is it is a real-time streaming and it can store the conversations like this, and also the main features was it can act as an AI assistant and teacher and programmer and doctor and as a translator also. Now let us test and demonstrate the project. Now we are I will start a new conversation regarding this. I will say just hello. Now we can see that it has responded as a AI assistant. Now let us test about teacher. Can you explain about Python? Now it was responding as a teacher. How teacher will explain. Now let us test as a program. Give Now we can test as a translator. We can simply ask the chatbot, please convert this into in Telugu. Let us see how it will respond. Okay, now we can see how it will translating in Telugu. This is the features of projects which haven't developed. Also, we can see that all conversations are stored in left side of it menu. What we can ask. We can store it or else we can delete it. Final feature was we can switch into a dark mode and light mode also. This was the output which I can see you in this project. Okay, now we can discuss about database designing. This project will using a SQLite in database. In SQLite there are two main tables. One will store a conversation from information like conversation ID and title and selection person. The last will update it, and the second table will stores the every individual messages. Each message contains a conversation ID, role, and whether assistant will connect. This structure will allow the to store permanently even the after rest the application will continue for previous data. In the future, I plan to add a several advanced features. These are including like voice input and speech output, image understanding, AI module, user authentication, cloud data supporting, file uploading documents, questions and answers, etc. Now let us conclude this. The project which helps me to update my complete life circle of building an AI powered by application. The combination of front-end development and backup development, database management and REST API, the real-time communication large language module. Thanking you for watching my project demonstrate, and I hope I have found the presentation information. I sincerely thanking to the KHub team which provide me this opportunity to showcase my skills. Thanking you once again.